The aim of this video is to demonstrate the manufacturer's recommended steps to perform a basic maintenance of the Zeno portable oxygen concentrator system. Always disconnect the concentrator from any power source and switch off before any service or maintenance. Check the concentrator, power supply packs, battery and other accessories for any signs of damage. If the concentrator is damaged, return the device to GCE Healthcare or an authorised repair centre for repair. If any of the other accessories are damaged, contact your local GCE Healthcare representative or an authorised distributor to order a replacement. Clean the exterior of the concentrator and all accessories with a soft cloth lightly dampened with soapy water or with isopropyl alcohol. Users should clean the concentrator at least once a week or as recommended by their home oxygen provider. Accessories such as the carry bag and pull cart should be cleaned as required. Turn on the Zeno portable oxygen concentrator by pressing the power button on the display panel. Ensure the mode and flow setting of the concentrator are displayed on the LCD panel. Listen for any unusual noises or rattles. If any issues are identified, send the concentrator to GCE Healthcare or an authorised repair centre. Check the AC and DC power supply packs for any sign of damage. Plug them to a power source and ensure the green LED is solid when illuminated. If not, replace the power supply. Turn on the Zeno portable oxygen concentrator by using the power button. The plus and minus buttons should increase and decrease the flow settings. Press the mode button to change the flow type. Press the alarm mute button, an amber light should come on. Press the battery button once to show the percentage of charge left and the battery symbol. Finally, press and hold down the power button to switch off the device. If any of these buttons do not work properly, send the concentrator to GCE Healthcare or an authorised repair centre. The patient filter is replaceable and is located directly below the cannula outlet of the concentrator. With the device switched off, use the custom spanner wrench to unscrew and remove the cannula outlet. Then remove the old filter using tweezers and replace with a new patient filter. Then replace the cannula outlet using the customer spanner wrench to tighten the cannula outlet to the concentrator. The wrench and filters can be bought from GCE Healthcare or an authorised distributor. Install at least one battery into the ZenO portable oxygen concentrator. The device will chirp when the battery is fully seated. Close the battery compartment, ensuring the cover latches fully to the device. Connect the AC or DC power supply to a power source and plug the other end into the receptacle on the side of the concentrator. The display should show charging and the percentage of the charge. If the screen is blank or shows battery not charging, check that the battery is fully seated and the concentrator is connected to a power source. If the problem persists, contact GCE Healthcare or an authorised repair centre. If the device is going to be unused for a period of over 3 weeks, it is best to disconnect the battery from the concentrator. Leaving the battery in an unused device for an extended period will drain the battery, as the concentrator is in constant communication with the battery and may limit the battery's ability to power the concentrator.